This video is to read the questions for the 7th grade Unit 2 test over two-step inequalities and equations. This video does not go over how to solve the questions, only reads the questions and answer choices. The questions shown on the Google form are identical to the paper version that you will be given, but it will go over how to make sure you log your answers correctly. If you need to stop the video and go back to listen to a question, please pause and rewind. I will read each question and answer choice once. Before getting started, make sure to put your first, your last name, and your period. Question 1. Solve. Write x is equal to the number. 50 is equal to 2x plus 12. Number 2. Solve. You must include the inequality sign. For example, if your answer is x is greater than the number, please make sure to include the greater than sign. 3x plus 8 is greater than 11. Number 3. Solve. You must include the inequality sign. For example, x is less than the number. 15x plus 60 is less than 240. Number 4. If x is equal to -1, then which of the following equations makes a true statement? A. 4x plus 9 is equal to 20. B. -4x minus 5 is equal to -15. C. -3x plus 15 is equal to 18. D. -5x minus 15 is equal to -22. Number 5. A plumber charges $55 for a service call, plus $35 per hour. Which of the following equations best represents the number of hours a plumber was at a service call if he charged $160? A. 55 plus 35x is equal to 160. B. 55x plus 35 is equal to 160. C. 90x is equal to 160. D. 55 minus 35x is equal to 160. Six. The model represents an equation. What is the solution for the equation? On the left side, you have 2 blocks of x and 4 blocks of -1. On the other side, on the right, you have 8 boxes of 1. Number 7. An air conditioning repair services charges $85 per hour, plus a diagnostic fee of $75. If the repair costs a total of $385, which of the following equations best represents the solution or situation? A. 75x plus 85 is equal to 385. B. 85x plus 75 is equal to 385. C. 85x minus 75 is equal to 385. D. 75x minus 85 is equal to 385. For number 8, I will read the question and then describe the answer choices. Number 8. Which number line best represents the solution to the problem below? The problem is x minus 8 is less than or equal to 16. A, negative 24, open dot, arrow to the right. B, positive 24, closed dot, arrow to the left. C, negative 24, closed dot, arrow to the right. D, positive 24, open dot, arrow to the left. Number 9, solve. Write x is equal to the number. 5x plus 9 is equal to 65. Number 10, solve. You must include your inequality sign. For example, x is less than the number. 3x plus 12 is less than 18. Number 11, identify the equation modeled below, then find its solution. For number 11, I will not read the description for the scale. I will just read the answer choices. A, 2x plus 3 is equal to 8 with a solution of 5. B, 2x minus 3 is equal to 8 with a solution of 5 5/10, or 5 1/2. C, 2x plus 3 is equal to 8 with a solution of x is 2.5, or 2 5/10, or 2 1/2. D, x plus 3 is equal to 8 with a solution of x is equal to 5. Number 12, solve. Write x is equal to the number. X divided by 8 plus 6 is equal to 32. Number 13, solve. You must write x is equal to the number. Negative 3x minus 10 is equal to 32. For question 14, this video is unable to show the entire written answer for A and B. I will read the answer choices for A and B, and if you need to reference any of the words on paper, you can look at your paper or own Google form. Again, this video will not show the entire written response. Number 14. Which of the following situations best represents the equation 100 minus 5x is equal to 60? A, Mario has earned 100 tickets from the arcade. He will trade in 5 tickets for each piece of candy. How many pieces of candy can Mario get and still have 60 tickets remaining? B, during basketball practice, the team runs a drill in which they will begin with 100 points and earn 5 points each time they get a rebound. How many points will they have after 60 rebounds? C, answer choices A and B are both correct. Number 15. Trevor solves the inequality 2.5x minus 10 is less than 20. He must then remove the cards below if they are not a part of the solution set. Which card or cards should he remove? Card A is 0. Card B is 8. Card C is -3. Card D is 12. A. Cards B and C. B. Cards A and C. C. Card C only. D. Card D only. I will now move on to the extra credit questions. These are not required. Question 1. A 15-passenger van is rented for a family vacation. The van rental is $75 per day, plus a $160 insurance fee. Which inequality could be used to find X, the number of days the car can be rented if they want to spend less than $670 on the van rental? A. 75 plus 160X is less than 760. B. 75X plus 160 is greater than 760. C. 75 plus 160X is greater than 760. D. 75X plus 160 is less than 760. Number 2. Emily is encouraged to read more than 4 hours each week. It will take her 45 minutes to complete the book she is currently reading. Then she will divide the remainder of the time equally amongst the other 6 days. Which inequality would help Emily find the minimum number of minutes she should read each day? A. 6x plus 45 is less than 240. B. 6x plus 45 is greater than 240. C. 6x plus 45 is less than or equal to 240. D. 6x plus 45 is greater than or equal to 240. Remember that 240 is equal to 4 hours each week in minutes. Number 3. Which number line best represents the solution to the problem below? 2x plus 20 is equal to 43. I will not read the answer choices, but do note that each answer choice from A to D has a dot that is placed in between 10 and 12. You must decide where it goes. When you are finished with your assignment, you must complete the following questions. I understand that cheating on this assignment, which means to use notes, calculators, or people when not allowed, will result in a 0 and/or no opportunity to make corrections. You are allowed to use your test to review. I understand that if I must do corrections are for people for 70. Let me go back, I'm sorry. I understand that I must do corrections if I get below a 70. Corrections for 70 and above are not offered. If you are listening to this video, for the following question, you will put yes. Did you use the audio recording for the questions in order to have them read to you?